Hi friends, in this video I am going to show you how you can go ahead and withdraw your Hamster Kombat Airdrop to Bybit. Now Hamster Kombat is getting listed on 26th of September and the withdrawal for Hamster Kombat should be on 26th or maybe 1 or 2 days before 26th of September. Now if you don't have an account on Bybit, you can sign up on Bybit using my referral link in the description, which will give you the highest tier of rewards, which up to $30,000, or alternatively you can use my referral code as crypto505. And apart from withdrawing your Hamster Kombat airdrop to Bybit, you would be getting exclusive access to different airdrops on the Bybit centralized exchange. Now let us go ahead and open the Hamster Kombat mini app on the mobile phone. So as you can see, currently I am at lot level and let us go to mine. And this is the daily combo for the day, which is Binance listing, OKX listing and Bybit listing. And all these cards are available in special and these are the new cards that you can go ahead and upgrade them. Now if we go to airdrop, they have this OKX early birds and also Bybit early birds, and also you have the option of connecting your TON wallet. Now this Hamster Kombat airdrop would be available for withdrawal on OKX, Bybit and also on Telegram wallet or TON wallets like maybe BitGet wallet or TON Keeper or maybe the Telegram app wallet itself. Now I am sure the withdrawal would also take place on Binance because recently Binance has announced that it would be listing Hamster Kombat. And if we go ahead and click on Bybit, as you can see, they have mentioned that you will need to complete your KYC to get the address and the memo code for an off-chain deposit. Now let's say if the withdrawal happens on a centralized exchange, then you don't need to pay any gas fees for withdrawal. And the withdrawal would be similar to that of Dog's airdrop. So let us go to Bybit. And once you are here on Bybit, simply go ahead and click on assets at the bottom right. And over here you will need to go ahead and click on deposit. And once again go ahead and click on deposit crypto. Now on the top, go ahead and search for TON. And click on done and once again click on TON. And again select the chain type as TON and click on OK. Now this is my TON address and as well as the tag or memo code for my account. Yours would be different. And please note that this address and the memo code will remain the same for all assets on the TON network. So if I go ahead and show it to you for NOT coin, let us go ahead and search for NOT. And select the chain type as TON and press on OK. As you can see, the wallet address and the tag or memo code is same to that of TON coin. Also we will check for dogs. And click on search, click on dogs, select the chain type as TON and press on OK. Now you will need to make a note of this wallet address and as well as your tag or memo code. And then once the withdrawal starts on Hamster Kombat, you would be able to go ahead and paste your wallet address and as well as tag or memo code over here for any off-chain deposits. Now we'll go a bit back and click on airdrop again. Similarly, you can do this on OKX as well if you have an account on OKX centralized exchange. And for TON wallets, you will need to pay gas fees. So please make sure to have enough TON if you want to go ahead and withdraw your Hamster airdrop to a non-custodial wallet. And if we go to main screen and search for some achievements, as you can see, this is the most difficult achievement to get, which is upgrade cards to level 25. Now the cheapest one would cost you somewhere around 1.5 billion Hamster tokens in total for upgradation. And if we talk about 5 cards, as you can see, less than 0.01% of all the airdrop farmers have completed this task. And if we talk about the skins, they have this achievement for 50 skins. Now no one has completed this because if we go ahead and check the skins, there are only 33 or 34 skins in total, if I remember correctly. So I think they might add some skins, around 50 skins just before the listing. So please make sure to have enough gold or coins in order to purchase the skins. And if we talk about the airdrop and if we go to points, your airdrop allocation would be based on the passive income. Let us go back and show you the passive income. So this is the passive income or profit per hour. And these are the tasks that you have completed, then invite friends achievement which we just talked about, then Telegram subscription and the keys. Now I'm not sure about this Telegram subscription, whether this is a premium subscription or maybe subscription to their Telegram group. So it is this simple to go ahead and withdraw your Hamster Kombat once it gets listed on centralized exchanges on 26th of September. And this is all for this video. And in case if you have any doubts or questions, please feel free to leave a comment. I would be more than happy to help you. Hope you like my video. Thank you for watching.